Feeney offers a cable rail solution for projects using wood posts with a decorative wood wrap or composite wrap or sleeve. The cable rail fittings will attach to the inside faces of the termination posts. In this video, we'll show you how to install 1/8" cable rail in a STAIR railing frame with composite sleeved 4x4 wood posts using our special Quick Connect Lag fittings. As an alternative, you may use Quick Connect pivot fittings. See our instructional video for cable rail installation for pivot fittings. Be sure to check with a composite manufacturer and your contractor to confirm that the frame materials and railing design can support the tension loads of cable rail infill. We've installed a Feeney intermediate picket to provide additional support for the cables mid-span between the sleeved posts. We will be using 9 cable assemblies for our STAIR railing. Each finished cable assembly will have a non-adjustable Quick Connect Lag fitting on one end and a Quick Connect Lag tensioner on the other end.